So it is 11:36 a.m. I got up about 8:30. And here it is, guys. So what I did was I weighed out the Greek yogurt, and then I emptied out 8 packets of Splenda into the Greek yogurt. Yes, 8 packets of artificial sweeteners in the Greek yogurt. Yeah, I do that much sweetener, artificial sweetener. And I'm not dead yet. I'm still alive. But I like my stuff sweet, so use accordingly to your taste buds and what you like. Mix it up, whip it in there, and then I weighed out 1 serving, a 1/4 cup of that granola. I mix that up good and just have it like that. And then I have 1 apple cinnamon rice cake, and then 2 tablespoons of the chocolate peanut butter, 32 grams. Alright, so I got a lot of stuff going on today. I'm probably not going to hit the gym until about 3 or 4. And then I'm not going to have my next meal until probably 7, 8. So that is just proof that I don't utilize meal frequency, meal timing. It's all about what works for me with my schedule, what's convenient. And at the end of the day, it doesn't really affect your body composition, your goals. The totals at the end of the day, at the end of the week, is what matters. If you're in a caloric surplus or deficit. But so update, again, I'm on a mini cut like I told you guys in the past video. My current macros are 50 fat, 300 carb, and 180 protein. And fiber wise, I'm shooting for about 30-35 grams. What's up, guys? It is 8:43 p.m. Had my last meal, I think it was about 11:30. So it's been around 9 hours since my last meal. I think I said I was gonna try to get a meal in about 6 or 7 o'clock, and I got caught up with some stuff. I've been home from the gym for a couple hours now. Came home and spent some time with Riley and Sonia, just playing with Riley before she went to bed, and had some work to do, so I got cut up, and I'm eating a lot later than I was planning. But it's just proof that I don't rely on meal timing, meal frequency. But anyways, let me show you guys what I'm having, and I'm sure you guys can guess what I'm having. My flame broiler plate, and then I'm gonna have not 1 Pop-Tart but 2 Pop-Tarts. My all-time favorite flavor, confetti cupcake. I'm stuck on that one right now. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I noticed that the confetti cupcake is a little bit thicker than most of the other Pop-Tart flavors. That and the sugar cookie. I had the sugar cookie a couple days ago, and I'm stuck on that one too. They're my 2 favorite cupcake flavor or Pop-Tart flavors. If you guys haven't tried sugar cookie, I recommend having it. So, flame broiler plate, 2 Pop-Tarts, and Crystal Light fruit punch. So I'm gonna inhale this, and I'll show you what I have for the rest of my macros. Probably gonna check out iTunes. I've been watching movies on the daily. What's up, guys? Last meal of the day to hit my macros. 10:43 p.m. My favorite white chocolate raspberry Quest bar. 160 grams of strawberry. And I just cut the strawberries up. And then I have it topped with some Walden Farms marshmallow dip. So I'll mix that together. Have it like that. Alright, quick summary. There's meal 1, meal 2, meal 3. My subs that I account for that have fat, fish oil, 3 grams of fat. So as you can see, I hit my macros perfect. 300 carb, 50 fat, 180 protein, 29 grams of fiber. As you can see, calories will never add up, guys. So track your macros, don't worry about the calories. Food totals, the macros and the calories will never add up. And that comes from, when you scan products, food, a lot of companies will round up or down. And stuff that you will search on MyFitnessPal are not accurate. People will input stuff and macros might be right, but the calorie calculation is off. So, alright guys, so I'm going to have my last meal, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, and please like the video if you like these kinds of videos. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share the videos that you think your friends and family will benefit from. Alright guys, peace.